not only youngsters, school students are also get spoiled. So nowadays we are using social networks like Facebook, Twitter, etc. It has both advantage and disadvantage. Advantages are we are getting friends from all over the world, and disadvantages are they are misusing our personal uses and personal things. So we need to avoid the disadvantages, and we want to be aware of it. Thank you. Any questions?
Any questions?
Yeah, as you told, internet is good, bad. Okay, this also. What about say about village people? They don't know even about what's internet. They don't know about email and.
No, not like that. Nowadays, they are also eager to know about the computer, and they are interested in that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good answer.
Thank you for your valuable points, Tilaga.
And now from our side, Mahesh will come and he will tell about education.
Hi friends, I'm here to talk about education system. Actually, education system is important to all of us. It will our education system act as a bone for all countries. But nowadays, the education system becomes as a business in our country. We need to have some changes in our education system. Like instead of teaching to the children that what led to the origin of the sun, and teaching about the First World War and Second World. Instead of that, we need to teach them how to prevent the Third World War. How to prevent the Third World Wars. And also we need to find the talents of the children, and we need to motivate the talents, and we need to support the children to become good in their own talents, so that they can develop his skills. And also we need to have some practical knowledge in our education system instead of theoretical knowledge, because every children are going to mug up some kind of things. Instead of that, if we have some practical knowledge, that will give clear idea to our children, so that they can easily understand what the theme of that subject. And I think this is the correct time to have some changes in our education system. That's it.
Any question? Thank you, Mahesh, for your valuable point about education system in India. No question from your side.
From our side, Suresh Kumar, and his topic is a hobby.
Hi friends, good evening. I'm going to talk about hobby. In our day-to-day life, everyone has.
Okay, now it's okay.
In our day-to-day life, everyone has their own hobby. We can't find a man in bad habits. So that everyone, good evening. I'm just going to talk about the topic hobby. Today, in our day-to-day life, everyone are having their own hobby. We can see a man who don't have a hobby. Maybe we can see someone who is running like a robotic life. So hobbies are many things like reading books and listening music, riding bike and cooking, gardening. There are so many.
Now we are using for laptop or laptop. Laptop is one of the laptop is called for notebook. Prompt is one of the packet dictionary. And the more more programs will be used for use them. I think Java and .NET or more programs will be used there. That's it.
Questions? Any questions? Okay, Mr. Mahesh Waran gave us a fantastic idea about computer.
From our side, we call upon Ms. Pasupati. Mrs. Pasupati.
Hello, good evening everybody. My name is Pasupati and my topic is lifestyle. The lifestyle is most of persons adapt for modern lifestyles. Modern lifestyles means computers, mobiles, telephones, and travels for by trains and aeroplanes. This is for modern lifestyles adapting. Olden days, suppose we convey the messages to others. Post office to like the post the letters. It will take the 3 days or 2 days. It will take. Presently, we convey the message via phone. Via phone to contact the voice immediately. Or SMS also sending within second although reaching. So the modern life, the mobiles also very adapt one. And internet, via internet we are contacting persons in anywhere world within second via the internet. So the internet, the computer is a modern lifestyle to adapting. And travel purpose, in olden days traveling for walk will take 2 days, 3 days reaching. So suppose around 300 kilometers, 500 kilometers to there to reach it will take long times. Presently we are using by bus and trains are using it very quickly. So the modern lifestyle is adapting to everyone. So lifestyle is to changes everyone's. Any questions?
Yeah. One question is that
Okay.
you are telling lifestyle is good.
Okay.
So what about say about the job opportunity? We are getting seeking about jobs.
In job opportunity also, in older days, the accounts levels are using and suppose writing purpose are manually to the books. In presently we are entering for the computers. The storage is also very quickly and heavy storage is available in modern computers. The computers is our modern lifestyles adapting everyone's.
So 15 people if work in single computer can work this all the thing. So it means job we are seeking.
No, presently many of the persons to job will get in computers. So many places, not one computers accounts learn is tallies, and you are saying the program is programmer or hardware and system engineers. This like to limited postings in BPO levels and for call centers and the data entries. So many postings is available, so many vacancies available. Many of the person is getting the job very quickly. So the modern lifestyle is everyone is.
Thank you.
Okay.
We have one more question from Kanaya sir.
Various factors that affect our lifestyle.
Sorry.
What are the various factors that will affect our lifestyle?
Factors means.
Factors like money, power, positions, and the movies, society.
I'm not understand your questions.
The factors like movies and our society.
In modern lives,
Yeah.
suppose you are saying that TV like and
How it was.
medias, no?
Yeah.
Yes, modern lifestyles.
Yeah, and money.
You are
power
saying-
also they are affecting our lifestyles.
Money is not affecting. Say everyone is adapting the. Suppose mobile you not available in mobiles. How to contact another person very quickly. So this mobile also very easily by the purchase. So the modern lifestyle is everyone adapting.
Yeah, that's only money.
Money
Also affect our lifestyle.
everyone having some monies.
Yeah, some money they are having, but how the money, when money are increasing like that, if you are aware about many modern things and you are not able to use that because of money, then after money you can change your lifestyle after getting that.
Okay.
From our side, Yesu will come and his topic is hometown.
Hi friends, I would like to talk about my hometown. I'm hailing from the place where Lord Shiva is famous for. Yes, I'm just talking about Tiruvannamalai. For each and every month of a year, people from all over the world used to visit our place in order to worship Lord Shiva and to get blessings from him. And of course, foreigners from all over the world are visiting our place oftenly. In order to live their life peacefully, they are just preferring my hometown. It's a best place for meditation, and of course it's a holistic place as well. Equally, it has ecotourism places as well. Near to my hometown, there's a place called Senji, where it's most famous for historical events. We could find a fort called Senji Fort, where King Desingh Raja has lived there. And of course, in and around Tiruvannamalai, we could find a lot of eco-friendly tourist places like Satnur Dam and Bhima Falls. Last but not least, it's a place where Ramana Maharishi has lived. He is believed to be a man who attained enlightenment in the world. And of course, most importantly, in my home only I can find my parents and of course my dear and near ones. Yep, that's it.
Any question? Thank you, Yesu.
From her side, we call Sunita, and her topic is India.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sunita. I am going to talk about India. India is a developing country. Mahatma Gandhi is our father of nation. In India, people are doing agriculture. In India, seeds and spicy seeds very famous. In India, different kinds of people are living, like Hindu, Muslim, Christian. So we are living in get together. In India, we will celebrate a lot of functions. If we will wear different types of costumes for marriages, like parties. Thank you for giving opportunity.
Thank you, Sunita. Now from our side, Mr. Murugappan will come and he will share his experience to all of us.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Murugapan. I'm going to talk about a celebration of marriage function which happened in my caste in South region. Actually, a marriage functions have been happened over in South India in a different manners, different style, and I'm going to share my experience. That is, I'm a Chettiar caste, so I'm going to share the experience of marriage that happened in Chettiar caste. Actually, the marriage function will happen over a period of 3 to 4 days, and all the relatives, all the families will be called for the marriage. And first day of the marriage, the warm welcoming of a groom will happen, and at the same day, Chettinadu type of a marriage will take place in a combined home, that our relatives, 5 to 10 relatives will be having a home for a single home will be for them. It will be like a bungalow that with a kind of a 10 to 12 rooms, 12 bedrooms will be there, and a very big stage for marriage or celebration of some kind of for our culture. Whatever celebration we will be conducting in the home only. Marriages will be happening in only homes. And during the time of our marriage, first day of our marriage, we will be warm welcoming the groom, and first day we will be keeping all the things, dowry things for the groom, including metal things, gold things, even platinum things, all the kind of dowry things will be kept in the common hall, and it will be showcased for our relatives to show that how much we are giving to the groom. And the same day of our marriage, we will be welcoming the bride, and for bride side we will be giving the dowry things, which will also include all the home appliances and all the things for their daily uses. And during the third day only, the bride and groom will be coming together, and they will tie the knot. Before that, there will be a lot of our culture specifications will be there, that the bride need to do some culture activities to groom, and those kind of activities will be happening for around 2 to 3 hours, and most probably both bride and groom will be surrounded by fog only. Most of them, the smoke will be around the whole home, and they will be suffer a lot during the marriage. And after marriage, the game session will start. The game session will happen for around half a day. It will go like breaking what to say in English, breaking puppet, and catching apple in from bucket. Those kind of games will be happening, and at the end of the day, for all 3 to 4 days, all the morning food, breakfast, lunch and dinner will be provided in the same home, and all the relatives will be present for a minimum of 1 week. They will be gathered together in the same house. And after the marriage, we will be conducting a reception in a separate marriage hall. We won't conduct a reception in our home, and during the reception only we used to call all the work relatives, colleagues, those kind of friends, office friends will be coming for only reception, and moreover they won't come for a marriage, as it longs for 3 to 4 days. No one will join us. Only our relatives, family members will be staying over there. And after marriage, honeymoon package, if any of our during my brother's marriage, we have booked the tickets and the honeymoon package we have gifted to them, and for our culture's marriage, parents will give, or else they will arrange for themselves, or else office colleagues like them, they may give a present for their honeymoon. And honeymoon happens for 3 or 4 honeymoons they will be giving for packages itself. And that's it.
Thank you, Murugapan, for sharing a great experience of South Indian marriage with us. Now from your side.
I wish to call Sheba, and her topic is music.
Hi friends, I talk about music. Music is the most important in the part of human beings. If any feelings you listening the music, your mind is change. Music, hearing the music, you peaceful, and mind is relaxation. different types of music is there in the world. There's Carnatic music, pop music, westerns. If no, Ilayaraja music is very nice. 1980s songs is one of the best songs in movies. If any functions, first you play these songs. Before music, first release the music. Thank you. If any questions, I will ask.
Yadav, would like to ask question?
Which kind of music do you like?
Okay, Miss Sanita will ask questions. Come on.
Which kind of music do you like? Podum. Hello?
Okay, thank you. Now from our side, Mr. Abdul Salam will come and he will tell about a very interesting topic, gift.
Good evening, everybody. My topic is gift. Different types of gifts. First of all, birthday gifts and marriage gifts. Valentine's gifts, etc. It is Valentine gifts. It's more attractiveness in packaging covers and different more impress my lovers. Marriage gifts will be any other kinds. That's all. Any other question?
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Abdul Salam.
I wish to call Ram Mohan and his topic is media.
Good evening, friends. I am Ram Mohan. I am going to talk about media. Media. Everywhere media. So nowadays, politicians are not able to sleep because of media, and kids are enjoying because of media, and old people are enjoying because of media, and youth are also enjoying because of media. Now, media is providing all type of news channels like spiritual news and political news, and for kids they have kids channels like Cartoon Networks, and for musical lovers they have some music, some etc. music channels, and also through media we can know, we can sit at home, we can sit at a bedroom, we can know about what's happening throughout the globe. So whether a bomb blast in Hyderabad, a terrorist attack in Kashmir, or a tsunami at Japan, everywhere group what is happening. We can come to know through media within a minutes. So anything is happening in the group. So through flash news, we are getting the through media only. We are getting the news. They have different type of channels. So it attract the different type of people. So how they are going to make use of the media. For farmers, they have like a few channels for having the particular farmers. There they can go and ask the questions. They will get the know how to make use of the all the to cultivate fields and all. And through kids also nowadays we have some kid channels, some education channels, some science technology channels, some discovery channels where we can improve our knowledge, and we can keep on update. We can get the up to date knowledge through media only. There are many advantages through media. So the best thing is the people how they make use of it. That's it. Thank you.
Should there be any limitations? Should there be any limitation to the media?
That depends, right? So there is no limitation for the good things.
Yes.
So for bad things, obviously there are limitations. So now government is banning few bad channels also.
No, like news media, if you will say take, then in case of some sort of rumor that may happen through media only, and
if it is a rumor, they will get only 1 to 2 minutes only. After that, if it is a rumor, government immediately they will announce it is a rumor. Don't believe it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I have a question. Sure. Do you think that the media is showing us the exact news?
Obviously, we will get the maximum exact news only. The few things they will proactively publish more to attract the people. They will add two more flavors. That's it.
Okay. If you see about the Delhi case, all the medias are shown that, so everyone know about the news. But regarding the Sri Lankan issue, it seems that no more medias are raised their hands except the Pudhiya Thalaimurai channel.
So I'm not aware of that. What exactly happened in Sri Lankan issue?
You said media is everywhere. Media, and media.
Correct. Media is probably that media is not allowed in that because of some security issues. Probably media is not able to allow.
Then why Pudhiya Thalaimurai only showed that?
Sorry.
Pudhiya Thalaimurai. That's a media.
Sorry, I'm not aware of that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
I have one question.
Okay.
The celebrities are getting caught by media when they are not wanted to be. And the thing is, when they are going for with their family and they want they want some privacy, and at the same time the media came and they are published their news. But my point is, and for the celebrities,
I can understand your point. The thing is, so if you have good things, then obviously there will be bad things also. So they should not publish it. There should be some privacy. The thing is, because of media, they want to create some hype. They are going to go and take the snaps and they are publishing. That's it. Now government has to restrict the media these type of things.
Thank you. Now from our side, Mr. Joel will come and he will tell about holiday.
Good evening, friends. My topic is I like to talk about holidays. In holidays, it is important enjoyed of students in this present life. I like most summer holidays because more holidays compared with the festival holidays. Only festival holidays like 4 days or 3 days only. In summer holidays there are 1 month holiday I like to go. I like to went to some tours through my family members, relatives, and friends. In festival holidays, I went to cinema or enjoyed with my friends. Go there, go to any beach, somebody. This is my holiday life for me.
Thank you, Mr. Joel.
From our side, we call Madan, and his topic is pollution.
Building to Iran, I'm going to talk about pollution. Pollution is in our country also most polluted country in the world. Pollution is mainly defect of ozone layer. Ozone layer is affected by air pollution. Due to the effect of ozone layer, the harmful rays are coming from the sun and affected our world. Types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution, noise pollution. Air pollution is due to that our vehicles and factory smokes, lot of unwanted gases, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide are mixed in the air and they affect the ozone layer. The land pollution is stop the construction, they are cutting the trees and making deforestation for the construction. Water pollution, in a lot of company chemical are mixed in lake and front rivers, and some of them accidentally also mixing the chemicals in water that affected our drinking waters, and it will give harmful disease to our, and that it affect also plant and trees. Noise pollution. The noise pollution, most of the noise pollutions are by traffic and the unwanted politician meetings. It's making affect some peoples, mainly the old age peoples. Okay, thanks.
Now I would like to ask Mr. Sunil Kumar Yadav. He has got a very smiley face and his topic is also smile.
Good evening, everybody. I want to talk to you about smile. And what is smile? Smile is expression of welcome. Smile is sign of joy. Smile is sign of happiness. Also, smile is sign of good health. And also, sometimes a smile is begins the communication, and smile is the medicine that available everywhere free of cost. And so we should everyone should smile always because it will make a healthy. That's all. Anybody ask question?
We have a question.
Yeah.
As you told, always we have to smile. Suppose a person who is on that time so angry, on that time you just smile it. What's your reaction? Explain it.
Sorry, pardon please.
Yes.
Pardon please, question.
I told, suppose a person in front of you who is very angry on that time, and you just make a smile. So what the reaction between you two?
We understand that the man in front of us, me, this is very new. That time we keep quiet because sometimes a smile at right time, we smile at wrong time. It makes enemy to me.
Yeah, you should told like this. You told always you have to.
No, always no. But smile makes always happy. If suppose you smile, then it's like a disease. It's spread man to man. Suppose I smile, then everyone smile. Suppose I'm staying here with angry, with aggression, so someone fear or keep quiet.
But on that time it may dangerous.
Suppose I talk here with very aggression, then you should not ask me question.
Okay, sorry. Thank you. I said it.
Yeah.
If you will say like that, then what about the mental person who all are always laughing? Then what? How can you say he is healthy or
no? Mental person is laughing because his mentality is not.
He smile. You will say he is healthy.
No. Yeah, healthy means that's not healthy. Healthy means physically only. Mentally not. I know mentally not healthy, but physically healthy. That's why you said that. He's physically handy, that's why he smile. Suppose any mental man, he's any broken, he get harm from any things, that he would not smile. But he smile, he's physically good, but mentally not good, but physically good. Then he smile. Suppose he now smile, why? Because he looking now very healthy.
Thank you, Mr. Sunil Kumar Yadav, and he make all of us smile. So that's all about. हम लोगों ने
himself.
No. Needed for population is your topic, right? Ladies first.
Now Brajesh Kumar Singh is coming to have an idea with city life, and he will explain.
Good evening, friends. My topic is city life. And India is a country of villages, and I am from a small village. And few years before, and it is nearly 3.5 years before, I got an opportunity to get familiar with the city life. And here I came and saw the facilities of city, how much modern the city life is. And so here in city, we can get all the things, all the necessary things that is very helpful to develop our personality, or for our any purpose. It is very important things that we are getting very easily in city. And here in city, people are very professional also. They are never creating problems. They are never getting engaged with all other peoples for no reason. And here we can here easily in city we can get, we are seeing skyscrapers buildings are there. And we are getting shopping malls where we are getting shopping malls where we can get all the shoppings right at the same time. And we are getting so many stadiums we can, from where we can watch cricket, watch football, and we can get our training institutes. We are getting good institutes in here. And at the same time we are getting some bad things also here. The crime rate is also high, and the population is very high in comparison with the village. And yeah, that's all from myself. Any questions?
Yeah, in city life, if you will see that they are easily communicating with the unknown peoples, but not they are giving so much time for communicating with their own families with respect to the village people.
No, communicating with the other peoples to improve your circle is good.
It's good.
It's not bad.
It's not bad, that I agree, but they should give some more time to their families also. No?
Yeah, but what happens in city? You all the persons are getting all persons are involved in your job, in your business. From morning 8 to 8 you are busy in your office, and after that you are coming home, you need to take a 8 hours sleep, and 8 plus 8 16 hour you have lost there, and rest you have only 8 hours. In 8 hours you have to spend your time, you sometimes with your family, you have to spend sometimes with your friends also. So here what happens in city life, we are getting only that 8 hours, but in village you are getting, in village what will you see, that they have ample amount of time. In 24 hours they are getting something around 10 or 12 hours to spend their family and all the things. So the main reason is in the village life and the city life is they are getting more time, and here people are getting less time. That's why.
We have seen that in city, like bomb explosion accident is more as compared to village. Why?
Development is here now. The development in the city is very very high. So anybody or anything, Pakistan or any country, if they are targeting, they will target the where Bombay is getting targeted 2 or 3 times. Why? Because it is the economical capital of India. So anybody who want to hit you, he want to hit at the place where you will get hurt more.
So I can say, we can say that city is not safe for us.
No, you cannot say city.
Okay, facility is there. I know facility is there, but it's not safe for us because people want a safe life.
It is not safe. It's your. I'm sorry. I think yes, there are some negative points, negative things are there in city, but apart from that negative points, you have to look for what are the benefits, what are the qualities in city life we are getting. So in comparison of that qualities in that opportunities in city, yeah, there are some things that your question is good. You have asked about a good question. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Which life is a peaceful one, city life or village life? Up to you.
Peaceful is village life.
So do you think the people overpopulated in city, they don't have
definitely
a
it is
peaceful
overpopulated.
life?
Yeah, it's all overpopulated.
No, that's why I'm asking. The population from village will be triple or four the time will be high in cities.
Yeah.
So those huge amount of populated peoples, they don't have a peaceful life.
No, peaceful life. That's why you are saying a very very big high building. You know, at the same area, here thousands of people are living, and the same area in village there are 10 or 12 people are living.
No, yeah, I understood the point, but I'm asking which life is a peaceful one. Here the people are living in a like in apartments or flats. There will be a single homes only will be available in city in villages. But I'm asking which life is a peaceful one.
Peaceful, I think, in my opinion, peace is in your mind, in your soul. From your soul you are getting peace. It's not like that if you are sitting here 10 or 20 people are there in this room, you are not getting a peace. I think if you are alone here but your mind is not feeling good, yeah, you have some problems, so have some internal problems, yeah, your mind is anywhere else. Here you cannot get peace if you are alone in the room, right?
Yeah, I got the point.
That's my point.
Thanks.
Anybody else? Last, Shivam Saw will ask some question.
Okay, city people want to work hard. So if day by day city life will increase, then village life, and as they're working hard as paddy, rice, they are doing all these things to grown up. Then what will happen to next generation?
I didn't get you. Will you please explain it more?
I am telling that village people are migrating to city.
Yeah.
So and city people don't want to work hard like field work.
How can you say that they don't want to work?
Have you seen in city
growing crops or growing paddy or growing this is only the work. This is only hard work. If anybody works from 8 to 8 in his office, this is not the work. Mental work is much more higher than your body work.
So if every village people want to do, every village people has the idea that aims that yeah, I want to do a office work. So if everybody wants to office work, then what happens to field work? Who will do?
No, there are some. There are always some people who are related to, who always want to live in a village.
Yeah, so it means at your point you want to say that some people have to live in village and some people have to live in city.
Not have to. These upon them. So
everybody wants to go city.
Who I am to say you should live in village or you should live in town or you should live in town? Who I am saying, it's upon them. They want to decide. If they decide that they want to live in city, okay, go ahead, go to city. And if they want to live in village, okay, you are also eligible for that.
Let them do it.
Let them do it. Okay. No, who am I to tell that you should live in village?
It means let them do work. You don't want to come forward, go a city.
Just give me a question. Give me an answer. Who am I to tell them to live in city or live in village? Who am I?
Actually, you told city. It means good, everything.
I just explained that the city life is good.
Yeah.
I never say that the people who are living in the city is good.
But now migration is more from village to city.
Yeah, definitely migration will be there. That's what my point is. City life is good. That's why migration is going on.
Yeah, so if certain days and long days it will happen, then what happened to our next?
At the same time, my dear friend, population is also growing. It's not constant. Suppose you have 10 people in your village and 100 people in your town, and one day what will happen, if migration is going on, the 10 people will come easily to the village, but at the same time you need to think about that the population is also going on. The 10 will not 10, 10 will increase to 100, and if 10 people will come here in the city, the rest 90 will be there.
Thank you. This is the right answer. Nice answer.
Any other? Okay. Okay, our next leader, Suganya, and her topic is colors. Colors.
Yes.
Oh, okay, good.
I'm going to speak about colors. We have different colors in our day-to-day life. Shortly we call colors as Vibgaya. V stands for violet, I stands for indigo, B stands for blue, G stands for green, O stands for orange, R stands for red, and Y stands for yellow. In our national flags we have 4 different colors: orange, white, dark green. Orange stands for that we call as saffron, that stands for Hindus. White stands for Christians, and green stands for Muslims. Even we youngsters get addicted to colors. When we go for shopping, we all select what color we like, which are more attractive. That's all. Any questions?
Yeah, Mr. Murugan has.
Can you tell the 4th color which states what it states? The chakra, blue color.
Blue color. I don't know. I know about the.
She told the saffron states Hindus. Wait, that's what Ashoka chakra. Which that color, blue color, which
blue,
it states.
it has. I know that it has 24 lines, but I don't know for what it stands for. Sacrifices.
Fine. It doesn't mean any religion, right?
No, no, no.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Sukanya.
I give you 10 out of 10.
No problem.
Please vote for
10 of 11. What happened? Pardon, please repeat.
because he spread a smile.
Then tomorrow I will bring NS3 gas.
What?
You like a smile, no? That's
Dear friends, we had a wonderful just a minute program. All of you have spoken. The criteria and the selection of who is the best speaker amongst you. What it counts, the body language which you express, the flow of words which are coming out of your mouth, the voice modulation, how do you raise up your voice and reduce your voice, the vocabulary power, the grammatical errors which you make, everything comes under the speaking task. So now, almost in this side nearly 10 of you are here, in this side you have 10 of you are here. Who is the best speaker? So I just please stand up. According to you, who is the best speaker, sir? You. Okay, what's your name, sir? Murugappan. According to you, Murugappan is the best speaker, isn't it? Okay, please sit down, sir. According to you? Huh? Bridges. Okay. You. Bridges. Okay, you. Murugappan. You. Magesh. Who is Magesh? Okay, Magesh. Very good. You. Murugappan. You. Which guy? Me, Mr. Smile. Okay, you. Murugappan. Okay, you. Huh? Anyone. You cannot choose one. No, only one. One you have to select.
No, sir, both.
Anyone you can say. Okay, you.
Both, sir.
No, only one you have to say.
I want to, sir.
Okay. No, in speak it to say this. Him. Okay, Murugappan, you.
I will vote for Murugappan.
Murugappan, you. Brijesh, you. Brijesh, you. Brijesh, you, sir. Brijesh, you. Brijesh, you. You. Murugappan, yeah. Okay, you. Okay. Now, finally we have come to a conclusion. Brijesh has spoken. How do you spell your name, sir? B-R-I?
B-R-A-J-E-S-H.
B-R-A? Bridges. And he comes first. Just give an applause. And second, Mr. Murugappan, please stand up. Come here, Mr. Murugappan. Brijesh. So, Brijesh comes first and Murugappan comes first. Amongst the girls, the boys, you say who is the best speaker? Whom do you select? The best speaker? Anyone? Anyone? Who do you select? Girls, huh? She is best. Who? Huh? Sunita. Suganya. Okay, you. Okay. Yes, you. Sindhu. Huh? Suganya. Huh? Okay. Telagai. You. Huh? Sindhu. Her name is Sindhu.
The which side leader because
Suganya. Huh? No because and all. Okay. Only you. Whom do you select? No becauses. Just say who. You. This one. Which one? You say the name. Sindhu. Yeah, here. White Chudidar. Why? Tilaga Sundari. You should name the name. Tilaka. Miss Tilaka. Huh?
Sunita.
Miss Sunita. Okay. Now, who gets the highest number of votes? Huh? Miss Sindhu. Please, Mrs. Sindhu, please stand up. So, amongst the female side, Mrs. Sindhu comes first, and Mr. Mishra and Mr. Murugappan come. Give them a wonderful applause. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Yes, let us end the session. Have a good day.